How do I insert a SIM card into my tablet?
In this video, we'll show you how to easily insert a SIM card into your tablet. This will enable you to connect to cellular networks for data and even phone calls, depending on your tablet's capabilities.
What do I need before I start?
Before you start, make sure you have the following items ready. 1. Your tablet. 2. A SIM card. Make sure it's the correct size for your tablet. 3. A SIM card ejector tool. A paperclip can also be used if you don't have the ejector tool.
How do I locate the SIM card tray?
To locate the SIM card tray, look at the edges of your tablet. The tray is usually a small, rectangular slot with a tiny hole next to it. The location of the tray might vary depending on the tablet's make and model.
How do I open the SIM card tray?
To open the SIM card tray, follow these steps. 1. Power off your tablet to avoid any damage or data loss during the process. 2. Insert the SIM card ejector tool or a paperclip into the small hole next to the SIM card tray. 3. Apply gentle pressure until the tray pops out slightly. 4. Carefully pull the tray out of the tablet.
How do I insert the SIM card into the tray?
Now that you have the SIM card tray out, follow these steps to insert the SIM card. 1. Position the SIM card so that the gold contacts on the card are facing down. 2. Align the notched corner of the SIM card with the notched corner of the tray. The card should sit flat in the tray without any gaps. 3. If your tablet has a micro SD card slot in the same tray, you can also insert a micro SD card at this time.
How do I reinsert the SIM card tray into the tablet?
To reinsert the SIM card tray, follow these steps. 1. Hold the tray with the SIM card and/or micro SD card facing down. 2. Gently slide the tray back into the tablet, making sure it's fully inserted and flush with the edge of the tablet. 3. Power on your tablet and wait for it to recognize the SIM card. Congratulations! You've successfully inserted a SIM card into your tablet. Now you can connect to cellular networks for data and calls. Remember to check your tablet's settings to ensure it's configured properly for your network provider.